How to get Hostinger coupon codes. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Are you looking for the best deals on web hosting services? Look no further because Hostinger is the perfect choice for both individuals and businesses alike. Today I'm going to show how you can save even more with the Hostinger coupon code. Launch your preferred browser and then type in Hostinger coupons and then search for it. With that, you're gonna get different website options. Navigate to this one website option, grab on, open it. Hostinger coupon codes are designed to help you save big on your hosting expenses without compromising on quality and reliability. In this page, you're gonna find tons of offers. Just scroll and check out the offers. Click on any of the offer to grab it. You're gonna get the code. With Hostinger, you get lightning fast servers, an easy-to-use control panel, and top-notch customer support. You can create and manage your website with ease and efficiency. And the best part, with Hostinger offers, you can even get more value for your money. You can also check out this one website, Groupon. In this website as well, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Hostinger. So why wait? Grab your exclusive Hostinger coupon code and start building your online website today. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.